Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a winged eyeliner hack which is done using a bobby pin. And I've seen a lot of girls trying it on YouTube and Instagram, so I thought let me do it and show you guys how it works for me. So let's get into the video. Okay, so here I have concealed my eyelids before I begin with my eyeliner, and I've done my brows. This is the bobby pin which I'm going to be using today. It has a small tip or smaller mouth, but do not use this one because it has a longer tail, so make sure you get the small one. And this is how the bobby pin works. It works as a guide for your eyeliner. So I'm starting by applying the eyeliner on both the sides of the tip of the bobby pin, and this one works as the outline of your wing until the mark is where you have to apply the eyeliner. Just have a look of how many times I have tried and I have redone the eyeliner using the bobby pin. It was just not giving me the perfect wing shape. I've tried it like so many times, and see, as you can see, it is just very messed up, and I just didn't give up. I kept redoing it, and at this point I thought of giving it a last chance, and just look what happened. Okay, so I'm just redoing it on top so that I get some product, and here I thought that it was a little better than all the ones I've done before. Now I'm just going to fill in the empty space inside of the wing like that slowly, and I'm just making the sharp point which I did not get with the bobby pin, and I'm going to be outlining the lash line, a thin line above the lash line, and I'll join it with the wing just like that. Lastly, I'm just finishing off by applying mascara on my top and bottom lashes. And this is how my winged liner looks like after a lot of struggle, and bobby pin definitely didn't work for me. It just messed it up more, and I myself had to make it look better like this. I'm never gonna try the bobby pin hack again, and I'll recommend you guys also don't do it because it's just a waste of time, and there are so many other more better hacks which I will try uploading in one of my videos next. Some simple easy eyeliner hacks, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Until next time, bye.